Amy wants some pizza. But so does her brother and sister. Welcome. Let's read. 1 pizza. The special word in this story is the sight word. 1. 1. Remember this word. Okay, let's read. 1 pizza is in the box. 1 pizza is in the box. I want to eat 1 pizza. I want to eat 1 pizza. My brother and sister want 1 pizza too. My brother and sister want 1 pizza too. 1 for you. Mom says to me. 1 for you. Mom says to me. 1 slice for my brother. 1 slice for my brother. And 1 slice for my sister. And 1 slice for my sister. Look. We all get 1 slice of pizza. Look. We all get 1 slice of pizza. Now it's your turn to read. I will turn the pages and be quiet. Look at the words and try to read. Give it a try. When you see the purple flower bounce, it's your turn to read. Good reading. Well done trying to read. Now, let's answer some questions from the story we read. Try reading the sentences to answer the questions. And remember, the sight word in green. 1. Can you read this page? It says, 1 pizza is in the box. Can you also read this page? It says, my brother and sister want 1 pizza too. Read. How many slices does Amy's brother get? It says 1 slice for my brother. Excellent. You've just earned a sticker. Remember the special sight word in this story. 1. Okay. Let's play some games. And practice spotting the word 1. First, can you find the word 1? Which is the word 1? 1. Again, find the word 1. Here it is. 1. Last one. What letter does the word 1 start with? 1. It's O. 1. Thanks for reading with me. You can read more sight word stories on our channel. Like and subscribe to practice more reading.